Okay, this is exercise 4-13 in the book for placing hatches. Hatches are basically patterns that go inside of a boundary. We're going to put a shingle roof hatch or a shake roof hatch on the roof here. In civil engineering, you use hatches a lot to designate earthwork, gravel, sand, concrete, those kinds of materials. So you do need to know how to do hatches, and several of the assignments that you're going to be doing require that you place hatches in your drawings. And you need those hatches in order to answer the questions. So you need to get really good at placing hatches. The hatch tool is on the draw panel of the home ribbon. It's right here. You have a very cool little hatch tool. There's a down arrow here. If you go to the down arrow, you'll notice we have the hatch pattern, the gradient, and the boundary. Okay, so we're going to select hatch. And if you expand here, you can see various hatch patterns. And we're going to select the R roof shake pattern. Now, you may recall I mentioned other patterns that are common in civil engineering. There's the concrete, there's sand, there's earthwork, so there's grass, there's gravel. So those are the ones that are very commonly used. We're going to use the AR-RSHKE for roof shake. Okay, and as long as it's an enclosed area, you can use you can place the hatch. Now, notice you can change the angle and the scale. And if you just mouse over, I haven't even picked, it'll give you a preview of what it's going to look like. And if you like the preview, you just left click to place it and then green check to complete the command. And there it is. So I've created that hatch.